right, welcome back, y'all. Time for another project. Today, we are going to read a value from this potentiometer and use that value to control the brightness of this LED. So I do have both power and ground rails connected on both sides. It's going to be like that from here on out. So on the potentiometer, on the left side, I put ground. Right side is going to be 3.3 volts, and center pin has to be connected. I'll put a picture of the pinout of the Pico. Center pin has to be connected to one of the ports that has ADC. So we are going to GPIO 26, which does have an ADC on it, and then the LED we're connecting to 16. To GPIO 16 through a current limiting resistor. Long leg to 16, which is right here on the corner. And then short leg going through the resistor to ground. That's the setup. Let's take a look at the code. So basically we want to make a dimmer switch here, but it's not like a standard dimmer switch. I'm going to call this a digital dimmer switch. So let's take a look at the code real quick from machine import. And we're going to need PWM driving this LED. We're going to need pin for the LED as well. And then we're going to need ADC for the analog digital converter reading the center pin of the potentiometer. And then outPin and potPin we set to 16 and 26 like we just talked about. We are going to declare myPot as an machine.ADC object. And then analogOut is going to be the name of this LED right here. It's going to be a PWM object at outPin, just like in the myPot was on potPin. Analog out frequency 1000. Analog out duty, the duty cycle we're setting to 0 on line 10. That's just turning the LED all the way off for starters. While true, endless loop, potVal, we're going to read the potentiometer there, and it does need to be an integer, so we're going to cast it as an int. And then, yeah, it's pretty straightforward now. We just have to analog, set the duty cycle of analog out to the same value as potVal, and that's because this is pretty handy. Our ADC and our PWM are both unsigned 16-bit integers, which means they both have a range of 0 to 65,535. So no conversion necessary. They should be a 1-to-1 match. So we can just drive that value straight to that LED. I'm going to go ahead and upload this code. Well, first I'm going to, another requirement for this exercise is fully left, LED off, fully right, LED fully on. So let's go ahead and run the code. And we are fully left. And we are going to slowly increase. And you can see the LED getting brighter and brighter. And we'll go back down again. And yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Once you know how to hook these components up, and once you know that really the syntax here is the only hard part. Remembering the ADC and the PWM syntax. But yeah, this works perfectly well. Thanks for watching.